Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to change volume buttons function in the camera app on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let me check for what the volume buttons are responsible right now in the camera app. So let me press actually the volume up button and volume down button, and as you can see, they've got their normal function applied. So right now, in order to change it, just enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. Let's tap on it. And here in the general settings, on the very first position, we've got a volume button function. So let's tap on it. And here we've got actually 3 different options to choose from. So we can choose capture, zoom, or change volume, which is right now applied and activated. So let me pick firstly the capture. Just tap on the option like to check. It immediately changes, so we can go back and let me press the volume up button. And as I hope you saw, the screen flashed, and the same situation with the volume down button, so it means that we just took a photo. Let me check another option. Let's enter the settings, let's tap on volume buttons function and choose zoom. Now let's get it back and let me press volume up button, and as you can see, thanks to it I can get closer to my object, and after tapping on the volume down button I can zoom out. So well, actually that's all. This is how to change volume buttons function in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.